So we're back on this cell. It kind of not fizzled out, but the wall cloud didn't look as good, but now it's looking much better again. Oh, we got a funnel. We got a funnel. Or possibly, it was looking better. Oh, got a tornado. Got a tornado. Got a tornado. Got a tornado. Oh my gosh. Got a tornado. Wow. Hold on, let me take some pictures. Look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. Got a tornado on the ground. On the ground. Have this tornado on the ground. I am in, like I said earlier, I am in eastern Lee County near Paw Paw. This tornado's been on the ground for the last 3 minutes. This is about to lift up a little bit, I think, again. Barely touching the ground. Take some more pictures here. This is a very